Okay, don't touch it again. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to set up this beautiful GeePro gaming chair. Stay tuned, do like, subscribe, and comment to this video if you like this video. So let's get started. Keep it that way, baby. So one thing I like about this GeePro gaming chair is that it has the massage feature. And if you're a person who sits up for hours, for long hours in the day, whether playing games, or if you work from home and you're at home for a long time, you need something with a good neck support and lumbar or back support. So I happen to work from home, and this chair just happens to be the perfect chair for me. And the fact that I'm also a YouTuber is a plus. And I just love the lighting that comes on this chair. Isn't it cool? Okay guys, so this GeePro does come with a remote, so you can control the massage. As you can hear it vibrating. And it also comes with a speaker as well, where you can connect your device to it and play your music. So let's check that out.